climbed steadily over the past month, with recent sessions showing a strong upward move of several percent, breaking through previous resistance levels and reaching new all-time highs. Technical indicators point to a sustained bullish trend, with momentum and trend strength measures remaining elevated and price action consistently above key moving averages. Short-term price movements have shown some consolidation after the recent surge, but the overall direction remains positive, supported by strong buying interest and limited signs of reversal. NVIDIA was slightly lower in pre-market trading after a strong gain the previous session, reflecting some short-term volatility among popular technology stocks. Analyst sentiment remains very positive, with a recent price target increase and a consensus buy rating from major research firms. Social media discussions are highly enthusiastic, with many users celebrating new milestones, discussing long-term growth, and highlighting NVIDIA's role in the artificial intelligence and automation revolution. NVIDIA continues to show robust annualized returns, significantly outperforming the broader market over the past year. The company's valuation remains elevated, with a high price-to-earnings ratio and a modest dividend yield, indicating strong growth expectations but also a premium price. Overall, NVIDIA is maintaining its leadership in the technology sector, supported by strong technical momentum and positive market sentiment. Investors should be mindful of the high valuation, but the ongoing demand for artificial intelligence and automation solutions continues to drive optimism for further growth.